Hello everyone from my channel World Traveler. In this video, we will tell you about Turkey's most popular ski resort, Uludağ Ski Resort, with all the details, from the current price list to accommodation, without leaving any questions in your mind. We wish you a good time in advance and thank you for your likes and comments. Before going to Uludağ, we should not pass without mentioning the name and important history of Uludağ because monks lived in monasteries in Uludağ. In the Republican era, it was named Uludag by Dr. Sevki Uludag. If you ask how to go to Uludağ Ski Center, how to get there, if you have a private vehicle, you can come very comfortably with navigation. The biggest reason why Uludağ is popular is that it is located in the middle of big cities such as Istanbul, Ankara and Izmir, and you can reach it in about 45 hours. Bursa city center is only 40 kilometers away. When you go up the mountain with your car, you can park in the car parks of the municipality, or on the side of the road. Entrances are paid and the car was 18 last year, but this year it was 24 TL. Minibus 72 bus, 120 TL current prices. After making the payment, you have 11 kilometers. If you do not have a private vehicle, if you are going to go to Uludağ by using the minibus, the place to come is Tofane. The minibuses leave right near the castle gate. The minibus goes to Uludağ in about 1 hour. As the road is curved in places, your stomach may be affected. The minibus fee is 25 TL per person. But there is a better option. With its 9 kilometers length, you can have a fascinating journey with the longest cable car both in Turkey and in the world. It is also Turkey's first cable car system built in 1963. There is only one point I should mention. The cable car can sometimes be closed due to weather conditions. Therefore, it is useful to confirm the openness of the cable car before going. We have provided transportation. Let's go to the hotels we will stay in and their prices. Uludağ consists of 2 regions as accommodation. While most of the Uludağ hotels in the first region serve full board, the hotels in the second region have an all-inclusive concept. As a result, the prices of the hotels in the second region may be higher than those in the first region. Now let's go to the hotels in the first region. Besaran Hotel, one of the remarkable ski hotels of Uludağ first region, rents ski equipment for the guests who need it. Guests can also take ski lessons if they wish. Welcoming its guests with the full board plus concept, Besaran Hotel has a children's room and a game room. Pets are not accepted at the property. 2 adults 1 night price is 2,200 TL. Cenk Yazıcı Hotel Uludağ, serving with full board plus concept. Fari Hotel Uludağ, Trendlife Hotels Uludağ for honeymoon vacation. Aslan Hotel, Le Chalet Yazıcı and Kervansaray Uludağ Hotel are located in the first hotel's zone. The tracks in the second region of Uludağ Ski Center are more challenging and assertive. Therefore, those who have previous skiing experience, or those who are professionals usually prefer the second zone. Agayagla My Mountain Uludağ, Kaya Uludağ, Karina Hotel Convention, Baf Hotels Uludağ Ski and Convention Resort, Monte Baya Uludağ and Kobankaya Forest Mansions serve in the second region. It provides service with the full board plus concept with a fun-filled winter holiday with the facilities it offers. Guests can rent ski equipment from the facility if they wish. There are 16 public accommodation and recreation facilities in the region. Since there is a high demand in January and February, you may have trouble finding a place and make sure to make your reservation early. In the hotel restaurants, you can taste the special Iskender Kentik kebab, Uludağ Koft, and local pancakes in Uludağ and Bursa. As with accommodation, the slits in Uludağ consist of 2 separate regions. There are easy and intermediate level tracks for beginners where hotels are concentrated in the first zone. The second zone is where the hotels are less. The second region appeals to professional skiers with 2 difficult ski tracks. While all tracks can be easily reached by chairlift, you can buy a one-time, hourly or daily ticket to use the chairlift facilities. First of all, Uludag Ski Center is more popular than other ski resorts, and the prices are a little above the average because it is one of the most popular. In order to ski to the fullest in Uludag Ski Center, you will first need a ski pass. The system specified as skipass is the name given to the card you use to get to the top with the chairlift. You can get information on technical issues from the trainers and attend their hands-on training. If you are enthusiastic, my advice is to attend group classes. Also, the price drops a lot. You can rent ski equipment from the shops in Uludag hotels or in the facility. Before you start skiing, you need to either buy or rent the equipment you need. The most important question you should ask yourself in this regard is, am I willing to continue this sport for many years? If your answer is yes, you can buy ski equipment once and use it for many years instead of renting it every time. However, if you say, I go once a year, it's not worth paying that much. You can rent all kinds of equipment from the ski center on a daily basis. If you are wondering what else we can do in Uludag besides skiing, Bakakak Terrace, which is only 5 kilometers away from the Uludag Hotel's region, is one of the must-stop spots to both enjoy the view and take photos. While you are in Uludag, do not forget to taste the famous tastes of bursa, Iskender kebab, Inagal meatballs and candied chestnuts. You can tour Uludag to the fullest with snow vehicles such as ATVs, pallets and snowmobiles. Picnic, climbing, trekking, camping etc. participate in activities. Be sure to attend parties and barbecue events organized by hotels and entertainment venues. Do not leave Uludag without seeing Uludag National Park, Kobankaya, Sadabat Waterfall, Sarilan Plateau, Senatkaya Hill, Softbogan Waterfall, Kirazliela and Cirque Lakes. We have come to the end of a video. I hope we have provided information that will shed light on you before you go. Also, you have other questions in mind, please write them in the comments section. Thank you very much for the likes, and we wish you a good holiday.